Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of unknown error occurred on the application of Pokémon Go. You will click on settings. Here you will go to apps, sorry, not here. In this window you will click on apps. Then you will go to above to search about Pokémon Go and you will click here. In this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here in this page, you will go to storage like this. Then you will click on clear cache. Here you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us.